So guys, in this video, I'll be guiding you through the top best freelancing platform online right now. I'll be showing you how you can open an account with this platform and how you can literally start getting jobs online right now. Now, freelancing is where you work for international companies and brands from the comfort of your bedroom, right? Now, if you have any sort of skills like copywriting, graphic design, video editing, web design, translator, or any sort of skills, right? You can literally take these skills to this freelancing platform and you get hired by international brands and you get paid in dollars into your local bank account, right? Now, in this video, I'll literally be showing you top 5 best freelancing platform you can start making money right now. And you can literally start making at least $1,000 every single month with this very platform. If you are really dedicated with this platform, I'm about to share with you right now. I'll take you down to my screen, sharing all this information with you. Now, before we jump into that information right now, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Norma Evans, and what I do in this platform is that I do research about the simplest way you can make money online, and I do it right here in this very channel, sharing it with you, right? I also teach you how you can literally start a business online right now and other related tech videos. Now, if you are finding this helpful and valuable, I would love you to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos like this that will be coming your way very shortly, right? And also like this video is a way of encouraging me by bringing this information to you. Like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more amazing video like this. Now, with this said and with this cleared, I'll take you down to my screen right now, sharing this 5 top best freelancing platform with you and how you can literally get started with it. So let's dive into it right now. Now, in this video, I won't be mentioning Upwork or Fiverr, right? These two platforms are overly saturated, right? Now, getting a job on these two platforms as a beginner is very tasking, right? It's like you're pulling a weight you can't lift, right? No, don't get me wrong, these platforms are amazing, right? I've made money from Fiverr, and Fiverr is one of my favorite platforms, right? I've explored a lot, right? Now, these two platforms are amazing, Upwork, Fiverr, but getting jobs on these two platforms as a beginner is a lot tasking, right? Now, the 5 platform I'll be mentioning in this very video is going to be a game changer for you. Now, these 5 freelancing platforms are less competitive and they are beginner friendly, right? Meaning, if you are a beginner starting out online, looking for a freelance website, you can start posting your jobs. This can be an opportunity for you to start making money. Why? Because these websites are friendly, zero cost fee to get started, and they are less competitive, right? So, with this said, I'm going to take you to my phone screen right now, showing you these 5 freelancing websites, walking you through every one of them, right? If you want me to create a separate detailed video on any of this platform, you let me know. Though I've created some dedicated videos on some of this platform like Fiverr and Upwork, I have them on my playlist. If you have to check the description of this video, you will see them there. But in this video, I'll walk you through these 5 alternative platforms I'm going to be sharing with you. So with that said, let's jump into my screen right away. Now, the first platform I'm going to be sharing with you right here is called Coca, right? Now, this platform is really amazing. Now, this is a freelance platform that is not much discovered by many and is very beginner friendly. And if you're a beginner, you can easily navigate through their website and you can easily just get started right here. This top right corner right here, right? If you click on this hamburger icon, you're going to see that you can see different skills they offer right here: SEO, marketing, graphic design, programming and tech, videos, which contain video editing and all of that, right? So now to get started in this platform is very simple. You click on register, you register a free account with them, you post your gigs, optimize your profile, and you can start making money from this very website. I would have loved to dwell more on this very website, but this video purpose is to show you these 5 amazing platforms. If you want me to create an extended video on each of these platforms, I will do that for you on this channel and I'll post it right here on this very channel. Going down, you can see that bring project to life with best expert, free and easy to sign up. That means you don't have to pay any fee at all to sign up on this platform. Here's a free jobs posting. You can easily post jobs and you can find jobs right on this platform. As you can see, say finding the right freelancer is no longer a choice. Post a job in minutes, and if you are busy, we'll find one for you. Quality work at affordable rates, right? These are some of the trendy gigs right now on this very platform. As you can see, this right here is a premium high quality PNB links, right? These are people posting their jobs right here, increasing website domain authority, right? These are freelancers already posting their jobs right here, and their gigs are trendy right now, right? And this platform is very easy. It's going to be the first link in the description of this video, of which you are going to register and just get started with them. Now, if you are lost with this website, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a well detailed video showcasing and showing you everything you need to know about this website, how to register, post your gigs, and how to land your first client. So let's move down to the next platform, right away. Now, the next platform right here is freelancer.com, right? Freelancer.com is a popular platform which have been in ground for a long time. Now, it's a very less competitive website you can take advantage of, and you can post your jobs and you can get the best gig for you and you can make a lot of money from it. As you can see, hire the best freelancer for any job online, world largest freelance marketplace, any job you can possibly think of, save up to 90% and get quotes for free, pay only when you are 100% happy. Now, as you can see right here, it says hire a freelancer. If you are a business owner, you want to hire a freelancer, you can click on hire a freelancer. And the next one right here is earn money from freelancing, which is register as a freelancer and start making money from freelancing. As you can see, you can make it through with freelancing. Now, this platform are used by Adobe, Facebook, right? These are big tech companies on the industry right now. Now, this platform is pretty amazing. Getting registered and getting started on this platform is very simple. If you look at the top right corner, you are going to see login if you already have an account. You see sign up if you don't have an account. You can create an account with them. Very simple. You sign up an account and you are good to go. Right? Click on sign up right now. It's pretty simple. You can sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account, put in your name, first name, last name, Gmail, password, and you are already in. Right? From there, you can optimize your profile and you have the chance to post your first gig right here. Right? If you want me to create a separate full tutorial on this very platform, freelancer.com, just comment freelancer in the comment section. Right now, with this, let's move down to the next platform right now. Now, if you are finding value in this video, do me a favor right now by clicking on that subscribe button and also like this video. That is very important. Right? Thank you very much. Now, let's move down to the next platform right away. Now, the next platform right here is contra.com. Now, contra.com is an amazing platform many people don't know about, right? This platform has a lot of opportunity for you to make money online, right? Just that this platform is not that common amongst many. That is an opportunity for you to jump in and make so much money from it, right? Now, this is a platform right now, contra.com. Sign up on this platform is very simple. Click on sign up right here. You see that you are up sign up, right? You're putting your name, your Gmail address, and your email, right? Then you are good to go, right? Once you sign up an account, then you can start doing everything you need to do. This platform is free to sign up. You don't have to pay any registration fee or you don't have to pay anything to sign up, right? This platform is just a common freelancing platform like others, of which you have to sign up an account, post your gigs, and optimize your profile and start searching for jobs, right? As you can see, get more creative, discover, connect, and work with world's biggest independent creative and clients, right? These are different projects we love. As you can see, these are different projects right here. As you can see, these are different projects. You can just even browse through the project to know more about this platform and how you can go about it. As you can see, they have content creator, graphic design, web developer, webflow, motion graphics design, Framer expert. If you are good with any of these skills, this is an opportunity for you to jump in right now and showcase your skills to the world and get hired by international companies that will pay you in dollars, right? This platform is simple, amazing. Just scroll and scroll. You can see that this platform has a lot of opportunity. This platform is majorly for those who are good with creatives, graphic design, and other stuff. Right now, this platform is free, and you can register with the third link in the description right there, and you can get started. If you want me to create a tutorial on this very website, just mention the name of the website on the comment section, Contra, then I'll know what you're talking about. If I see much comments, I'm going to do a separate video on how you can register on this platform, create an account, and start posting your jobs. In fact, I will guide you through on how you can make your first $100 from this very platform. With proper management and consistency, you can make money from any of these freelancing platform. So with that said, let's move on to the next platform right away. Now, the next platform we have on our list is called Guru.com. Now, Guru.com is one of the platform I've used a lot, right? Now, when it comes to freelancing platform, the platform I've used a lot online is Fiverr and Guru. I've used this platform a lot, and yeah, they are amazing, right? They are amazing, and it's not discovered by many people. Why? Because this platform has unique opportunity to make you a lot of money, right? Now, this is not common amongst, let's say, Africa countries. Why? Because this platform is majorly based in US, and it has a lot of clients from Indian, Russian, and other Europe countries, right? Now, as you can see, say find an hire expert freelancer, work with the best freelance talent from around the world, and in our secure, flexible, cost-effective platform. One thing about this platform is that this platform is cost-effective, and you can at least get jobs on any amount of money you want to, and you can set your gig on this platform. No matter what you are offering, you can make money from this platform. As you can see, they have over 800,000 employers worldwide, right? And they have been paid over 1 million paid invoice, right? This is dollar, is not on naira. And over 250 million pay to freelancer. $250 million pay to freelancer. Mhm. Now, any skills you have, you can come here and start making money from here. Now, why over 3 million people choose us? That means they have over 3 million customers on this very platform. Now, imagine showcasing your skills to over, let's say, 1 million people on this platform. If you are really serious and consistent about this, within 6 months or within 2 months, you will get your first clients, right? It's easy to get work done on Guru, Air Freelancer, post a job, secure payment, right? Now, this platform is amazing and you can make money from this platform, right? Now, this is the fourth platform right now, and this platform is amazing. It's going to be the fourth link in the description. If you want me to create a separate video on this very platform, I will do that for you. Just let me know in the comment section. Let's move down to the last platform right now. Before we do that, if you have not liked this video, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please like this video. It will cost you nothing to like this video. Thank you very much. Let's move on to the last platform right away. Now, the last platform right here is called People Per Hour. Right now, People Per Hour is a popular platform and is an amazing platform to make money from. Right, people underestimate this platform because they think it's a platform that people neglect. I'm telling you, this platform is amazing, and if you try it out, right, if you are a freelancer out there or you are a beginner, you want to start making money online, right? Now, if you come to brass category, you can see that they have skills in all the skills you can ever imagine. One thing about this platform is that this platform is majorly based on UK and US, right? Majorly UK, right? Because 60% of their freelancer and clients are majorly based on UK, right? You can easily have clients from UK if you work with this platform, right? Now, this platform is amazing. Now, they have over 3 million rated freelancers, over 150, $150 million earned by freelancer. Now, this is amazing, right? Now, if you are a freelancer out there, you are a beginner, or you just have a skills you want to showcase, one of this platform is going to be amazing for you. This is People Per Hour. It's going to be the fifth platform, which is going to be the last link on the description of this video, right? Now, making money on this each of these platform is amazing if you know what you are doing and if you can get it right, right? My advice for you is that pick one of these platform which is best for you. Watch more videos and more tutorial. If possible, take a course on any of these platform. Ground yourself, be consistent with it. With no time, you are going to land your first client, your second client, your first 10 clients, your first 100 clients, your first $100, your first $1,000. Before you know yourself, you're already at the top, right? Now, these 5 freelancing platform, they are pretty amazing and they're going to make you a lot of money online if you are really serious about it, right? Like this video and let me know in the comment section which of this platform you are getting started with and which of it you want me to create a full tutorial on right now. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Now, each of these platforms will make you a lot of money online if you are really dedicated with it, right? Now, if you want me to create a dedicated videos on each of any of these platform I just mentioned in this very video, write me in the comment section and tell me which of this platform you want me to create a dedicated video on. If you are a beginner watching this video and you are starting out on your freelancing journey, right? I would love you to pick one of this platform and work with it, right? Don't just jump on all this platform, creating an account with them and start posting jobs here and there. What you have to do is that you pick a platform you love the most, understand the platform, learn more about the platform, learn the rules and regulation, learn how the platform works, and gather other information at the internet on YouTube about this very platform before you can start with this platform, right? And you starting out with this platform, you have to be dedicated with it, right? This is not a get quick rich scheme. Don't expect money to just come overnight. You have to be dedicated and you have to be consistent with this very platform, right? Learn more about this platform. Trust me, within 3 to 6 months, you will start making consistent money from this very platform, right? And also, as I said earlier, if you want me to create a dedicated videos on any of these very platform I mentioned, let me know in the comment section. And if you have not liked this video and subscribe, this is the right time to do that right now. Please like this video, subscribe for more amazing videos, and if you find value, let me know in the comment section by commenting. And if you have any issues at all, let me know in the comment section by commenting. I will be there to reply to you. Now, if you want to start out with Fiverr right now and you want to start making money on Fiverr, I created a editing video right here showing you how you can literally get started on Fiverr and how you can start making money from this very platform, how you can create an account with them, how you can post your first gig, and how you can start getting clients right now. And if you want to make more money on the internet, I share some websites that can make you a lot of money on the internet by doing simple tasks. These are websites I've been using to make some good money from the internet. You will love them. Click here to access that video and also click here to access how you can get started on Fiverr. So with that said, I'll see you right here in these 2 videos. Bye for now.